Hi, everybody. Mischa here with Word of the Day, and there it is. Maladroit. What does this adjective maladroit mean? Clumsy, inept, awkward, and it doesn't have to be just physical. Actually, we usually use it in the sense of a political or social situation where somebody has no tact, no sensitivity, a bull in a china shop. That is maladroit. Now, where does it come from? It comes from the French maladroit, meaning basically the same thing, not right. And it comes into English, I'm already laughing, in 1671, excuse me, in a play called The Rehearsal. And the reason I was laughing is that this play is restoration comedy. And I have to put it in a context for you. The restoration was the restoring of the king to England. In this case, Charles II, the son of the king that had lost the Civil War and been executed, after 11 years of the Puritans and Cromwell. Under the Puritans, I mean, England was basically grounded for 11 years. You couldn't even celebrate Christmas. If they caught you with mistletoe, there was hell to pay. So these killjoys were so bleh, that once they were gone, it was like the roof blew off. And you have things like the Restoration Theater and the Restoration Comedies. They're bawdy, they're blue, and they're clever as can be. They're the kind of plays that would have been banned in Boston. So George Villiers, the Duke of Buckingham, brings this word maladroit into English in this play called The Rehearsal. And he himself was a wonderful playwright, a political schemer, a libertine, a hedonist, and these noblemen. There was a group called the Merry Gang, as a matter of fact. They committed all of their sins in public, in full view, and I think a lot of people really appreciated it after what had happened to them. Okay, now, how do we use this word maladroit today? It's actually very easy. Let me give you a couple examples. Here's one. The new ambassador was a political appointee and actually very inexperienced. So his maladroit handling of the political crisis actually caused it to get worse. Okay? Or how about this? Mrs. Jones's maladroit behavior at the party embarrassed everyone as she kept asking everybody how much their hat cost and how much their purse cost and how much money did they make. Okay. And finally, so the first was political, the second was social, and the third one is me, and this is going to be physical. I am like a swan. How could this be? Because on the ground, I can be quite maladroit. I have been known to catch my shoulder in more than one doorway. But if you put me in the water, I am as graceful as can be. If only my neck were a little bit longer. Anyhow, that word maladroit is wonderful. Let's use it. Put it in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hi, everybody. If you're going to buy a book like, say, this one, Restoration Theater, I got this for $11. Let's not go to the big boys. Let's go to the independent booksellers. And if you want to support independent booksellers, then just click on the link below or up above in my profile at bookshelf.org/word of the day.